Okay, Assalamualaikum and good morning. As usual, if you are seeing Miss Atika, means it's English lesson. If you are ready, please show me your OK sign. OK signs mean you are ready for our lesson. Good. Okay, before that, we need to know the day and also the date today. What is the day today? Today is Monday. Today is Monday. What is the date today? Today's date is 22 of February 2021. Today's date is 22 February 2021. Okay, can you see on the screen? We have 4 sounds. We have 4 sounds to learn. We have already learned 11 sounds. Are you still remember all the sounds? If you are still remember, good. But don't worry if you don't remember, we will learn the sound after this. Okay. Can you still remember all the sounds I already told you just now? If you are not remember, it's okay. We will learn together. Okay, you can sing after this or you can sing with me. Okay, I will start singing, okay? A is A, B is B, S is S, O is O, D is D, I is E, M is T is T, C is K, G is G, K is K, N is G is G, K is K, N is N is Okay, if you want to listen again, you can replay after the videos end. So, now let's learn the new sound. The first letter, what letter is this? It's letter R. Letter R. What letter is this? Letter R. Are you still remember the uppercase and also the lowercase? Where is the uppercase? Is it on the left side or on the right side? It's on the left side. How about the lowercase? Lowercase on the right side. Good. This is letter R. So, what are these? These pictures you will learn. You will learn the name of this picture. But before that, what is the sound of R? The sound of R is The sound of R is What is the sound of R? Good. Now let's look one by one. Okay, say after me. Next one. E. And it will sound as re. And we added and it will become ring. Ring. What is ring? Ring adalah cincin. Now, let's read this. Can you see the moving character there? The pictures there is moving. So, let's read the letter. Your turn. Good. Now we add a. Your turn. Good. Now we sound as ra. Your turn. Good. Now we add ts, ts. Your turn. Good. Now, we combine all of the sound. It will become rats. 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 Your turn. Yes, it's a rat. Rat. What is rat? Tikus. Now, the next letter is letter E. Letter E. What letter is this? E. Good. Letter E. Now, you have to look carefully where is the uppercase and lowercase e. You have to remember, okay? I will ask you when the school starts. So, these are the two pictures you will learn. But before that, what is the sound of E? The sound of E is air. The sound of E is air. Air, air. What is the sound of E? Air. Yes, air. Now let's look. Let's read. Air, air. We add li, li. We combine ali, ali, ali. Say this. F, f, f. Ant, ant, ant. Fund, fund, fund. Now we combine. Say after me. Elephant. Elephant. Your turn. Good. What is elephant? Elephant is gajah. Now, say after me. Your turn. Now we add G. It will sound egg. 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 Your turn. Good. Can you see the moving egg? What is egg? Telur. Okay, now we will learn the letter U. Letter U. What is this letter? Letter U. Can you see the both picture? The moving picture. Okay, what is the letter U sound? Letter U sound is A. A. What is the sound of U? A. A. Let's look one by one. Say after me. Ah. Now we combine it. Ma. Now we add the G. It's become mark. Mark. What is mark? It's cawan. Now, say after me. Teh. A. Ta. B. It's become tap. T. Tap. Tap adalah tempat mandi. You can see this in the hotel, or maybe some of you have this tap in your house. Now, the next sound is for CK. CK is not cekeh. Okay, this is not cekeh. Okay. Okay, before we look on the pictures, what is the sound of CK? Again, it's not cekeh. It's keh. The sound of CK is keh. What is the sound of K? What is the sound of CK? Keh. Okay, let's read together with me. Er, 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 er. O, 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 o. Raw, 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 raw. K, 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 k. Now we combine all of it. Rock, 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 rock. What is rock? Batu. Okay, now the next picture. Say with me, claw, 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 claw. K, 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 k. Now we combine. Say clock, 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 clock. Yes, clock. What is clock? Jam. Yes, clock. Okay, thank you everyone for stay with me until the end of the lesson. We have learned the 4 sounds today. So, as your revision, you can play again. And then, after that, I will give you link for you to do the exercise. Don't forget to do the exercise. And don't forget all the sounds. You will need to remember all the sounds because I will ask you when the school reopens soon. Okay, goodbye everyone. Have a nice day.